Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, and what's up? I have not been on here in a few days. I just wanted to come by and say hi. Today I'm playing, I guess I wouldn't call it hooky because I'm actually home studying. I have a test coming up. Actually, it's tomorrow, so that's what I am studying for. So I am just here cleaning up my house. Like, I just feel like, I don't know, my house is never really that dirty, but I just feel like it needs to be clean. I need to do some deep cleaning because I haven't been able to do like a nice thorough deep cleaning because I've just been so busy, like with school and everything else. I don't even have time for myself. School basically having me away, guys. It ain't no joke. It has me away. I would say actually doing school is way more stressful than working a 9 to 5. I would work a 9 to 5 any day over doing school because doing school, being a mom, all that is not easy. And this is not the first time I've done it. I did it how much years ago? Maybe 10 years ago? Maybe, no, actually, about 14 years ago. Yeah, because my son is going to be 14. So 14 years ago, even I've been doing school from those time. Finished high school, went to college right away, even after I had my son. I was in school and doing that. When I had my other daughter, I was in school doing all of that as well, right? And so I've been in school for years. Oh my Lord. But now that I think about it, and here I am again, back in school. But it's so stressful, like just all these group assignments, these all assignments that has to be done, and then you got quizzes, and then you also have to study for like exam and all that. It's a lot. And then on top of that, you have to make time for the kids. You also have to make time for your husband if you're married, and you gotta make sure you're making time for yourself. And at the end of the day, your mental health comes first, because boy, school can literally break you. Some days I just feel like oh, I just don't want to do this no more, especially with it being in the summertime. I just kind of want to spend some time with my kids, like enjoy the summer and stuff like that, even though it's not here because it's bloody cold outside. But yeah, guys, I've just been doing some cleaning and studying, and I just seasoned up my wings. I'm making some wings, some jerk wings for dinner, because the kids them wanted that. So that is what I am doing. I'm about to head out. I have an appointment that I gotta get to, because basically I would have been finished class right now. I only had a half a day today. So I think that's kind of why I was like, you know what, I could do whatever. It's just more lecture I would be going to school for anyways, so might as well, I could sit there and do that, go after that. Just let me get my studying out, because I only have one test this week, and then I could do the lecture, go through my slides and all that stuff that I gotta do. But I hope you guys are doing good enough about me ranting. So, oh Lord, how is your guys' day? I hope you guys are all having a good day. And you gotta say, no matter what, we all gotta have a good day, because you know what, you're alive and you're healthy, and as long as you have those two things and have God with you, you are great. No matter what you are going through in life, you just got to remember that there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Trust me. I could say that because I've been through a lot, and no matter what, I know God's always got me. Even when family or friends don't have you, just remember there's always that one person in your corner. Yes, he's not there in the physical form like how you are, but he'll always be there in the spiritual form. Right? So I'm actually about to head upstairs now, go shower and put myself together because I look like a hot mess. I just dropped the kids off at school earlier, and I was like, you know what, let me just start cleaning and getting some studying done. And that's another bad thing. I started finding everything to do but my studying. So now I'm just going to put in these wings, shower, and then I'm going to go back and study for a little bit. Then I'm going to head out to my appointment. But I guess I will tune in a bit. Oh, hey guys. So I am all dressed and ready to go. So I'm just about to go head out now to my appointments. I was gonna head out to Walmart to go get some storage bin because my school stuff is kind of getting out of hand, and I have a corner that they're all pretty much piled up in, which is over there, but I need to get rid of that corner. That corner is just a no-no right now. So I was trying to see if I was gonna go to Walmart to go get a bin, but I don't know if I'm going to end up doing that today. Maybe I'll just save it for another day, since it's kind of raining out anyways. It sucks outside, and the rain hasn't held up. You know what? I think I'm just gonna throw these shoes on. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I need to wash these shoes, and I just washed them, but because it rained yesterday and I had them on. It was raining a bit yesterday, and because I had them on, so now they ended up being dirty. I have another pile, like over here in the garage, I have another pile of so much school stuff, because I just not too long finished a program, and now, well, as you see, I am on to the next one. So I just got a lot heavy. Okay, well, let's get out of here. Turn off this light. Oh yeah, and I end up turning off my jerk wings are finished, so I ended up turning those off. When I come back, I will just have to warm them up, and I'm just gonna cook some white rice with it, and then I have macaroni salad that we can have with that. And yeah, so that is what we will be eating. That is what we will be having for dinner. Oh man, where is my phone? Your girl needs her some tunes. What time is it? Oh, it's already 12:30. Time is flying, boy. Time is flying. Okay, let me get myself some tunes. Yeah, have you guys heard this song? Yes, my seatbelt is not on because I am just reversing out of my garage. Okay, all right, there, garage is locked, so it's time to get going. I will check back in with you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, so I am finally home. We've been home, just been cleaning, trying to get this place organized, get everything done, but we are finally finished cleaning. I did a thorough clean of the house, which is good. Feel much better. But I wanted to say, oh, so my jerk wings are finished, and I finished cooking my rice. My rice is all done. So we are about to, we're about to eat dinner now. Oh, I am tired. I've been doing a whole heap of running around all day and stuff. Oh, I just found some Jamaican $20. Found some Jamaican money while I was going through still yeah, we are still not fully. I haven't even fully unpacked out some of the stuff yet in this house. Ugh. I just actually was packing out some of my office stuff. When I looked inside, I found all these Jamaican money. So that is a bonus. And I end up just changing my sheets and everything, washing laundry. Girls' rooms still not finished as yet. Still coming together, but we're just actually putting up some stuff in there. So still got a quite a bit ways to go, but we're getting there. But yeah, it's crappy. It's pouring rain out. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I didn't turn on the lights upstairs. But it's pouring rain out, and I need to go get my studying done. But the vibes is just not there. The vibes to study is not there at all. I've been doing everything from morning but me studying. So I guess I'm really procrastinating this time around, really. And that's bad, because generally I'm not a person to procrastinate. I don't like leaving things till the last. Try and get things done ahead of time. I hate waiting till last minute to get things done. And washing out these few dishes, and then we're going to sit down and eat. As you guys can see, hubby has gone away again. He should be back. Yeah, we should be back Thursday night. Yeah, so he'll be back Thursday night, and then Friday we're heading out. So yep. So tomorrow my Friday starts, which is nice. So tomorrow is my Friday, because I don't have class on Fridays, which is always nice to get that break. It's nice, but then also it's kind of bad, because then you tend to sometimes, like, I'll find so much other things to do instead of say, okay, let me split up, like take 2 hours to go through each of my classes, see what needs to be done, and whatever is the hardest, work on that, and then work on the easy stuff. Yeah, I have those days where, like Fridays, even though I don't have school, I'll sit down and do all of that, but other time, no. Other time, no. I generally, will not do that. Not do that at all. So yeah, we're about to go eat just now. And yeah, so not doing too much more, and I don't want to bore you guys. So I guess I'll just end the vlog here. Hey guys, what's up? So we are on a night venture to go get hubby. He about to land soon, so we are actually heading out to go and get him. My sister actually came over for a visit. Oh, there's the water. Yeah, my sister came over for a visit, so she was just visiting for a while. I'm gonna go and now she's going home. Long journey.
Okay, bye, baby.
All right. Bye. Safe ride home.
Safe ride back and forth. Remember to call me.
Yeah. I'm gonna go pull out the car and then call him. So yeah, guys, just on our way to go get Mr. Williams now. So on the journey to head into Toronto to go get him. Just make sure all is good. So I'm gonna get myself some tune. My sister's on her way home now. Sad she came so late, but that's okay. Maybe on a weekend next time she can come. Let me just drive out so Faith can lock into town. I hope you guys are having a good night. I didn't even vlog. I was too busy studying, so that is the reason why you guys have not seen me. It's exams week coming up next week, so I've been doing a lot of study. So yeah, I guess we'll catch up to you when we reach.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing. blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None days bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and cheddar. Just forget one more minute with my brother.